I'm Nick from Walls Nursery in Sydney. This is one of our potting machines. We purchased this about 12 months ago from Potjet. Excellent machine for us. We upgraded from an old machine which was nearly 25 years old. Probably the best part of the machine for us is the Potjet. It's absolutely fantastic. It never misses a beat. Really easy to use. Really simple to use. The changing the pot size is very simple. It's all done on the computer dashboard, so you can quickly and simply change the pot sizes. And it's in a matter of seconds. You can just choose different pot, and it will automatically adjust to the pot size. The second-hand pots actually work quite well. We were surprised about that. We thought the second-hand pots would probably jam up a little bit, but if the staff when they put the second-hand pots together don't squash them together, they put them loosely, they run through without an issue.